Hi friends, you're watching movie reviews with Raghuram. Just now I happened to hear the song Janani from Triple R. It has been named as the soul anthem of Triple R. And when you hear the song with your headphones on, you'll definitely know why it has been called as the soul anthem of Triple R, because it gives the essence of the movie along with introducing the characters, different characters of the movie. First of all, let me come to the song. The song has been written, composed and sung by M.M. Kiravani Garu and his chorus team. Beautifully written, beautifully composed and beautifully sung, Kiravani sir. You are the maestro and you know how to get the essence of a movie in your song. The song Janani is not only beautiful and wonderfully presented, but it is also soul-soothing song. When you hear the song with your headphones on, when you are following the lyrics and when you can sync the lyrics with every frame and sequence of the song promo or the song, you are definitely to get goosebumps. And how powerful is that word Janani, which denotes mother. The word Janani itself is an emotion. Beautiful song, wonderful song, I should tell. I heard the song Janani with my headphones on twice in Telugu and once in Hindi, and I really got goosebumps and the song touched many emotional corners of me. I loved the song, I just loved the song, and for the emotional component of the song and for the way it has been composed, the way it depicts the essence of the movie Triple R, the way the song binds all the characters and the emotions and expressions of all the characters in a single frame, the way it beautifully covers and stitches a single emotion, yes, a single emotion called as mother and motherland, the love for the motherland with all the elements, all the sequences and all the characters of the movie. It is just wonderful. Right at the beginning of the song promo Janani, we can see the words of the maestro Kiravani Garu. He tells that Triple R is a compilation of wonderful sequences and all sequences have a common emotion, and to put music to that common emotion and present it was a wonderful experience for him. And that single emotion which connects almost all the sequences of the movie is the mother and the love for motherland. In a way, I can call this song Janani also as character introduction, because we can see almost all the leading characters of the movie come in different frames throughout the song. And just see the expressions, the emotions and the intensity of emotions and expressions in the face and in the body language of each and every actor and actress. And at the same time, if you are following the words in the lyrics, you will definitely feel goosebumps. This is one of the best touchy songs I have heard. Since the movie Triple R comprises of the concept and plot of freedom struggle, obviously many sequences will be covering the love towards the motherland and how the Indians and Indian freedom fighters and also the common man rose up and fought against the atrocities of the British. So since love towards motherland and patriotism is a single emotion which connects different frames, different actors, different characterizations, different emotions of the movie, it is an emotion which connects many emotions in the movie. It is a single emotion which connects the emotions and expressions of almost all the characters in the movie. Patriotism becomes the core, the soul of the movie. And to compose music for this single emotion called as patriotism and love towards motherland is not easy, and to get all the frames of the movie, all the important frames and expressions and emotions of the movie which strongly depict the patriotism and weave them with a single thread called as beautiful soul-touching music, only a musical maestro and legend like Kiravani Garu can do. As I said that Janani is a compilation of emotions. You can see beautiful emotions well expressed. Take it from a small child peeping through the car, or be it Junior NTR, Ram Charan, Ajay Devgan, Shriya Saran or Alia Bhatt. Everybody's expression and emotions seem to be connected to the patriotism and the soil of the motherland. And all these emotions and expressions are brought together, and all these beats are stitched together into a beautiful composition of music by M.M. Kiravani Garu. And this shows the intention of making this particular song. If the movie Triple R is a heart, and all the frames, all the sequences and all the characters of the movie are the heartbeats, and if all those heartbeats are connected to a single emotion called as mother and motherland, the song Janani is a beautification of that particular emotion. The song Janani is a musical tribute to that particular single emotion called as mother and motherland. And very importantly, when you see the Hindi version, you can see the first dialogue of the movie also, and that has been presented by Ajay Devgan. I think the song has been released in all the languages, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, Tamil and Malayalam. I happen to hear Telugu and Hindi versions. I just wanted to see, after hearing the Telugu song, somebody has dubbed the voice for Ajay Devgan. I just wanted to see if Ajay Devgan has dubbed for himself or not in the Hindi version, and I felt very happy to hear the voice of Ajay Devgan, and this is the first official dialogue too, which has been released from Triple R. Again, before ending my video, it is a wonderful composition, Janani. Kindly listen to this song with your headphones on in your favorite language or in a language in which you can understand. And since this song Janani is touchy, soul-soothing and connected to that emotion of mother and motherland, I would love to give 10 out of 10 for this song Janani. the soul anthem of Triple R is superb. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.